Hey everyone, my name's Sean and welcome to Geeksvana. Many drone flyers across the UK have decided to put their droning on hold during lockdown, whether that's from interpretation of the regulations or from your own assessment of the situation. Today we're going to be talking about some of the important steps to remember when you're taking your first drone flight for some time once the lockdown ends. Just quickly, if you're new here, please consider subscribing for more drone and tech content. To keep this video short and organised, we have put the advice into 5 steps. First up, you'll need to check your batteries are still okay. Most of us know how to store our batteries, etc., but it's still worth being a little cautious when fully charging them and flying with them for the first time. Keep the first flight close and low until you're confident the battery is operating and discharging normally. This will save you from getting caught out far away from the home point, etc. Secondly, check NOTAMs for flight restrictions. If you've not been flying regularly, then something might have changed in the airspace above your regular flying spot, and it's worth taking a quick look via an app or website. The third thing to do before flying after a lockdown is take a read of the drone code and ensure you're refreshed on the new rules. There were a lot of changes just prior to lockdown, so it's worth running through the CAA site again to ensure you are confident on where and how you can fly your model of drone. Point 4 is to carry out a physical inspection of your drone and clean it carefully. If you store your drone in a case, ensure the props have not been bent or warped by the positioning during storage, and ensure there wasn't any damage picked up from your last flight which you've forgotten about. To check a prop thoroughly, get in there and give it a careful twist about to see if there is any cracking not obvious at first glance. And the fifth and most important thing to check on during your first post-lockdown flights is your flying skills. Muscle memory and practice is everything, and you'll be amazed how quickly controller skills can diminish when you're not flying regularly. Make sure you take the time to practice your moves somewhere safe and close by to your takeoff position to ensure you can still keep the drone under the same control. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other tips for anyone returning to drone flying after a break. I'd really be interested to hear them, and they will help everyone else. The comments section of Geeksvana means a lot to me, with everyone expressing their thoughts and opinions. Also, if you're still watching this video, please hit that like button. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Oh, you're still here. I tell you what, while you're here, I'll tell you a joke, shall I? So, I encountered a video on YouTube that said how to stop procrastinating. I thought, how handy is that? So I saved it for later. Boom, boom. See you next time.